Hey everyone, and welcome to my Breezeline internet review. Find links to their site down below. Breezeline is a fast-growing internet provider offering high-speed broadband across parts of the Northeast, Midwest, and Southeast. Known for speed and reliability, Breezeline is perfect for households, gamers, remote workers, and small businesses needing great performance without breaking the bank. They offer a range of fiber and cable internet plans. Their fiber optic plans boast speeds up to a gig, ideal for 4K streaming, large downloads, and gaming. Don't have fiber in your area? No problem. Breezeline's cable internet plans, ranging from 100 to 500 megabits per second, are perfect for everyday use like browsing, streaming, and video calls. Breezeline is committed to value. Their competitive pricing includes no data caps or contracts, so you can pick the perfect plan without hidden fees. They also offer bundle deals combining internet with TV and phone for extra savings. Need help? Breezeline's customer service is available 24/7 by phone, online chat, and email. Plus, their online portal makes managing your account, paying bills, and troubleshooting easy. Bottom line, Breezeline is a solid choice for reliable, affordable internet. Whether you need blazing fast fiber or a budget-friendly cable option, Breezeline has a plan for you. Check out the links below for more info and to sign up.